Governor Charlie Baker is requesting everyone in the state to wear masks when they're in places where they cannot social distance. This comes after many other states have already had this requirement in place for weeks. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane joins us with more. Lindsay?
Sarah, the advisory goes into effect on Wednesday, but just over the border in Connecticut, masks have been mandatory for 2 weeks now, and Connecticut is set to begin reopening on May 20th, leaving many wondering if Massachusetts is behind other bordering states.
It's going to be difficult to say whether or not we are going to open up at the end of May.
Governor Charlie Baker is now mandating people in Massachusetts to wear facial coverings when social distancing can't be maintained.
Hopefully people do listen and do it. He's decided to add an enforcement layer to it because maybe there are places where people are not voluntarily using a face mask.
But just over the border in Connecticut, facial coverings have been mandatory for 2 weeks now. And with Connecticut's plans to begin reopening on May 20th, it leaves many wondering if Massachusetts is behind schedule. Governor Baker's mask requirement goes into effect on Wednesday, 17 days after Connecticut's. Unlike Connecticut, Massachusetts has yet to announce any plans to reopen. But Erica Hamilton in the microbiology department at UMass Amherst tells Western Mass News over the phone that although people are antsy to get back to normal, this is not a race.
We're reducing the spread of COVID-19, which in turn is we're not ending up with as many sick people and as many people who are dying.
She says with the Connecticut border just minutes away from Western Mass, it makes planning a Massachusetts reopening day tricky.
Of course, it seems like it would make sense to do it because the New England states are all so small. We all sort of blend into each other sometimes. But on the other hand, the city of Boston right now does have a pretty high rate of COVID transmission compared to Western Massachusetts.
Hamilton says while the state's mask mandate goes into effect this week, it's important to continue following the protocols until officials say otherwise.
Being past the peak is not, and having our numbers start to go down is not a reason to stop wearing them. In fact, if anything, it's a reason to continue it because it means that social distancing and wearing masks is working.
The Massachusetts Reopening Committee has been told to submit the reopening plans to Governor Baker by May 18th. In studio, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.